Well, I'm here. Going to town on that thing. They sell Kim Kardashian skidders here. First time I've ever driven this thing. A dog or wolf? Yep. Sat too long. Come on, lowboy truck, you can do it. Oh, yeah. Oh. Smoke! I see smoke! Oh, out of smoke. Well, we have a big snow coming here in a few hours. I need to get some #1 fuel in those two trucks. There's already #1 in that truck. I am going to use that to rough this up because it rained up here and this is glare ice and I don't want to be stuck. It's a little bit downhill there and I got to back them over here, get to the fuel tanks. I got to shave all these little ruts and stuff so it'll be smoother snow plowing for the pickup this winter. So that's what I'm going to do with that beast right there because it needs to be moved. Got just under 13,000 hours. I think the chains are frozen in the mud. They certainly were. See that? Frozen in the mud. Try and break up the ice here with the chains. Pretty new chains on this skidder, so they should bust it up pretty good. Man, that window's clean. How's that possible? You can see I've already made one pass. Blade down. Just trying to shave her, get her down to dirt, make her smooth. Ooh, the ground is definitely freezing. I don't know if you can hear all the bumps and ruts I'm hitting. I'm just trying to scrape her smooth. Well, thanks. We got her smoothed out now so we can get at our dual tires. We can come up here between the loaders. Actually, I'm going to park that Circle 300 back here where it was now that I'm done painting that. Not as slippery and as rough now, although there's something there I probably should have knocked a little flatter. Yeah, there's still some ruts here, but not bad. Totally different color schemes on these ones. Can't even see the Lemco back there. I kind of painted that the John Deere scheme too. Well, now that I'm done, you know, straightening the yard and backing that slasher back into its position, I should probably throw some fuel in, #1 fuel in these trucks. Seeing they've been running for quite a while now. Lowboy truck getting a little drink of #1. Bubbles in fuel? Huh, I've seen bubbles in puddles before. Now your turn. Getting some fuel. Number one fuel. They like this kind of Kool-Aid in the winter because it doesn't get all waxy and gel up on them. I'm reorganizing. Well, that's just annoying. Gotta build air pressure. Roast beef? Wow. She must have missed me. Let's throw some number one fuel in the Kenworth too, as long as we're at it, huh? Well, let's see if you'll start now. Oh yeah, nothing to it. She idling awful low though. Let's bump her up just a little bit. Maybe. Well, all the dents from the tires in the ground are all about the same depth, so they all must still be holding air, right? That's an odd way of thinking. I don't know why. I just lined them up. I guess I kind of do know why. Who knows the next time, if ever, they'll be lined up like that again. Suppose I should see if this is frozen in the mud. I should get her moved, and I should throw some number one fuel in this so it'll be ready to go. I don't think they're gonna be froze that bad. Let's see here. Yeah. Not at all. Let's swing around. Very little, huh? Getting a fresh drink of winter Kool-Aid. Yeah, the snow is definitely intensifying, isn't it? I'm still shuffling equipment. Might as well hook that up. The way we're getting snow, huh? Ooh, the work pickup's gonna get some new shoes. Getting down there. New shoes, way better. Yep, got the Toyo Open Country. I know, I bought the wrong tires. I always do. It's that time of year again to be the Haley House proctologist. That's just not right, is it? There's a little bit of stuff right there in the corner, isn't there, down there? It's dark out here. Really dark. Well, I had to go get the knocker loose tool. That's all the stuff that goes in my face and up my nose and everything else. Definitely much cleaner. And see my breath? Yeah, it's cold out here. Not really, it's not that cold. Well, that's what we got out of there. So, I need to put this step back on the Kenworth because these flanges kind of rotted. And Matthew took the TIG welder and welded in some pieces of flat stock. So let's put this back in. See, the problem is these holes, you know, they would fit like there, but I think they won't quite clear this flat stock. Well, it's 5 o'clock on a Friday, I guess. Must be, yeah. And I stayed here and put that step on. I could have quit 15 minutes early. Nobody'd know the difference. But stuff doesn't get done unless you do it. There, now I can feel better that this step is on. Thanks again, Matthew, for welding up that step. You know what? It's not polished like the other one. Oh well. That's pretty good backup lights on the back of the pickup. Well, good night. Have a good weekend. Oop, shutting her down. Drove her head to make sure she wasn't frozen to the ground. Drove that limber ahead to do that. Tomorrow I might start some of this other stuff and move it around so it doesn't freeze to the ground. Gut surgery on a heater. Dean thinks he wants to be warm today. I suppose the flame's not going to be real good because the fan isn't blowing. But hey, it seems to be working a lot better than it was.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Hey, thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Fire Captain Tom says, thanks for watching. Have a great day.